Alright guys, the Boss Baby's in my house right now, so I can't be too loud. I've got a knife, and I'm gonna fight the Boss Baby. I'm gonna end this right now. So, this may be my very last video. I made a grave mistake summoning the Boss Baby. Do not summon the Boss Baby through Black Ops 3, or at all. Alright, let's find him. My fidget spinner! Wait a second. This isn't the Boss Baby. This is just a DVD. Okay, I'm gonna go put the knife back because I think he's gone now. Somehow the Boss Baby stole my fidget spinner. So I don't know how he did that. This is just the Boss Baby DVD. Wait a second. It's opened. Wait, there's a note. Don't summon me again. Oh my gosh, guys. The Boss Baby was here. He was here. I thought it was just a DVD, but no. This is a note. I don't think I should ever do this again, guys. Don't summon the Boss Baby, please. You'll be making a mistake like I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube challenges. Signing off.